Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some Parsad. The key to making this tasty Parsad is getting the right color when parching the flour. I make this Parsad throughout the year. I do not wait for a special occasion, alright? So let's get started. Here I have some flour, raisins and cherries, some butter, some grated nutmeg, spice stick, star anise. I also have some essence and condensed milk, orange soda. It still has the fizz in it. Some milk, of course. And the orange soda has the fizz because I just poured it out. Okay, so over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Then I'm going to add the spice stick, the star anise, and I'm going to pour the cherries and the raisins into the milk just so that it can come to a little simmer and that the raisins are going to be popped. All right, now add 1 can of the condensed milk. You can also use sugar at this time, but the condensed milk is already sweet, and not only is it sweet, but the condensed milk brings out that kind of smooth milky texture in this Parsad. So you want to stir it. Then we're going to go right ahead and we're going to add our essence and nutmeg. Now you want to use just a pinch of nutmeg. You don't want to use much. All right. Once you add that, we're going to go right ahead and add our orange soda. Now you can also use the red soda. I just love the orange soda in mine because it brings out that nice vibrant color also. Give it a nice little stir just so that you can get the spices to be infused in this liquid. Once it's done, set it aside. Then over medium heat, we're going to add a pot. And into this pot, we are going to add 1/2 cup of butter. Once the butter melts, do not let it burn. Go right ahead and add 3/4 cup of flour, guys. And we're not talking about a pint cup, we're talking about a measuring cup, all right? Then you want to keep stirring continuously. This method is called parching. You want to parch the flour until it cooks, and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. You don't want to taste the rawness in the flour. And you want to do this also over medium heat. Keep stirring, do not let it burn. Stir until it becomes a little dried out. So keep stirring, guys. I parch this for about 10 to 12 minutes. This is what it should look like. And then you know that your flour is fully cooked. Now I'm going to stir the milk mixture and pour it right into this flour here. Now if you can do it on your own, get somebody to stir while you're pouring. Keep mixing right away, continuously, making sure that there are no lumps into this Parsad. You have to stir continuously until a fluffy, smooth, and buttery and milky pudding comes about, guys. And continue doing this over medium heat. It's this simple. Look at how beautiful it looks. Look at how fluffy it is. And I'm telling you, it's very milky. And there are many ways to make Parsad, guys. This is my version, all right? So keep stirring. So once you add the milk, let me tell you, you're going to stir this for another 5 minutes, all right? Until it holds and becomes like a ball. Look at this, guys. Look at how beautiful. And our Parsad is done and ready to serve. Believe you me, this is everybody's favorite sweet treat. I make it throughout the year. Go give it a try. Let me know how it turned out. And enjoy. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay with me for many more simple, easy cooking methods. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.